All right, guys. Jerome James here. Thanks for watching my video, by the way. Well, I wanted to bring you guys some good value. It's a tool that I use, and I heard about this tool about a year ago when I was looking for free chatbots for my Facebook fan page. I did a Google search, stumbled across, of course, MiniChat, which I have used before. But this one I'm bringing to you guys because it's 100% free forever. You never have to pay for it. But yet you can use these tools to kind of get your feet wet on chatbots and learning how the basic functionality of it is. So, what I want to do today is give you guys a quick overview of the new skin that they have on this MobileMonkey. It's been updated, by the way, um, and it's a good resource to capture leads. If you don't have any other type of CRM or anything like that, you have to have something that captures leads, guys. It's mandatory for your business. So let me start you guys off with okay, so this is the home page where you go, and um right now I'm gonna give you guys the overview, but later on I'll give you a tutorial on how to use the software. I mean, right now I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview really about what it does, what it can do. And I just, for the sake of this video, I'd rather make a tutorial for you guys later on. So please bear with me. All right. So over here, what we have is the home page where it gives you a couple tasks. Let me go on and turn off my webcam so that I can give you guys the full view. So right here, we got, you come in and you connect your Facebook page. You come in, you come here, you connect your Facebook page to the CRM. And this is just a quick overview, guys. In my next video, I'll show you guys exactly what to do, how to do it. But this is for people that haven't seen this software in a little bit. So you come over here, you got your dashboard where you can look through your inbox, and then you have your growth tools here, your lead magnets and everything like that. So here is where you automate everything, which everything is also shown here in the sidebar. If I click this marketing automation and I click this, it'll take me to the same place. So, you can also run your ads through this software to get clicks to your chat bot, which would also give you subscribers. Okay. So, so since this is going to be a quick overview, I'm going to show you guys the chat bot, and I'm going to actually show you guys how to manage your subscribers. Okay. So here, when you actually come to the home page, actually you click here and you can connect your Facebook page here. At any moment, you can connect any of these Facebook pages. As a matter of fact, I can just go ahead and connect this one here. This is actually a page that I manage for someone else, that I manage for my one of my sponsors, which I'm in a program with, a marketing program. But neither here nor there. I'll tell you guys later about that. So anyway, I just connected his Facebook page here. All right. Very simple. Now, what I want to do, the first thing I want to do is to build a chatbot. So I go here and create a dialogue. this right here is a Q&A, a question and answers chat bot. So what I would do with this one would be the person would click and I would ask them a question. They would answer the question. Then I would continue answering the question again so that they interact with my chatbot. And that is how they become a subscriber, guys. When a person uh, interacts with your chatbot, once they interact with your chatbot for the second time, that's when they subscribe to your chatbot. So here we go. So here we got what is our basic template of a dialogue. So what the dialogue would be, it says, soon as they click, it says, I'm sorry, I'm just a bot, but someone real will be right with you soon, or however. So, and this is the beginning of the chat bot here. So what you're actually going to do is you're going to come here, click on this, and you'll be able to edit this. So for the sake of this video, I'm gonna just quickly do some pre-editing that I've already done. I have some dialogue here. So this is actually what is going on. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, there we are. So this is actually dialogue that you have to put in, questions that you're gonna ask your potential prospects. So what I do here is I add that and then I add a button here, right? So that button is gonna be I'm gonna say yes because I typed that in. Okay, so and this button is gonna go to a dialogue that I need to create. But first, I'm gonna just make this right or wait. Okay. So what you have to do is first actually make the dialogue. So let's create the dialogue here, a new dialogue. I'm gonna create a new dialogue. Okay, so let's just say new. And then create dialogue. So then I'm gonna use my preset dialogue template here that I've already made. Preset template. And then I'm gonna use text here. Perfect. Then add that. All right. So with this one, this is where my download is going to be. So since I'm putting dialogue, making it a dialogue, I'm going to actually do it while I need to be while I'm here actually. Let me see, download. All right, there you go, guys. Okay, we're back on track now. Okay, so eventually I'm gonna actually put a URL here. Okay, here. So I mean, I don't have a URL right now, so we're just gonna put something here just to save it, I guess. I don't know. Oh, let me see. No, that's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna actually have to go get a URL. So what we're gonna do is, I got my Bitly account. Here we go. I actually got my Bitly account. So this is, ooh, Okay, so this one is my bit.ly. So I'll come here. Oh, and I use this link, guys. Okay, so I use this shareable link here. I just copy it, right? Boom, simple. I bring it over here. Actually, I bring it, yeah, to this one. Not that one. Okay. Okay, we're coming here. URL invalid. So you can't just put anything, all right? So let's go here. Let's say let's drop that URL there, guys. That's a valid one. We're in there. As soon as you click that download button, it's gonna download to your client, to your prospective prospect. Okay. So now what we do is we go back to default to our chatbot. Okay. We go back. Okay, this is how we're gonna do it. We'll just go back to the actual page here, and then okay, in case you get lost or anything. So now when we make our button here, we haven't been able to make our button. We say yes, right? And then we come here and we put the new in, right? Then we say create button. And for the sake of this video, I'm about to make another button, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to put nothing in that flow, guys, in that flow slot. So just bear with me, guys. I'm also still learning this platform. So, um, but it's just a powerful resource. I'm sure you're going to want to have this. So let's say not now here. And in case they don't want to do now, that's fine. Also, let's go default dialog. Now, what's going to happen is, okay, so we put our dialog here on new, the one we just created, which has our download in there, guys. You know, this is, it's really basic, guys. I mean, even with me, the troubles that I had, I still got it done. Oh, and also you can add a photo here. So let me just do that for you guys. Just add widget. Then you come here. Then you say you just add an image. Get a file. I have one ready for you guys. I use this one here. And hold on. Let's see. Let me come. Oops. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I didn't mean to click on it. So let me minimize that. And let's click choose file. That's what we're going to do here. Okay. There it is. Here. I'm going to use the small one. It's better if you use the small one because this is actually more targeted for mobile, guys. And that's the reason why chat bots have an 80% open rate. So you're going to want to really focus on using this. So you can use this little toggle here to to raise it all the way up higher above, and it's kind of like a little landing page, you guys. It's cool, dude. Like it's dope, and this is, you wouldn't believe it. So now this is ready to present to a prospective prospect to me. This is like a small landing page, guys. Look at how awesome it is. So I'll come here, I'll copy the link, then I come here just to test it out. And let's go. Let's test this out, guys. Let's test this out. Sorry guys, my internet's really slow this at this moment. Oh, that was one thing I forgot to tell you guys. You're gonna need to turn on um you're gonna have to request for messaging. So I just ran that to you guys. So what you're gonna have to do is request messenger messaging within your Facebook page, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do and exactly how to do it. Because if you don't do it right, you will not get approved. So I'll make a video on that later on, guys. Don't worry about that. So I'm going to show you guys one that actually works. And I have the link right here already populated. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here it is. And it populated like this. And then as soon as I hit the yes button, it pops up the second part of the flow. Then once I click download, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Boom, the free PDF I promised. All right, man. Like, so I'm telling you guys, this is a very powerful tool. It's 100% free. Um, it's no excuses anymore, guys. We're in a digital age. Everything is free. You got free tools. You got everything you need to build your business. So, you know, let's do it. Let's do it. This goes for me also. This goes for my team. You know, this is for my team. Hopefully they get value out of it. Hopefully you get value out of it. And if you did, please shoot me a subscribe, shoot me a like. Of course I'll be greatly appreciated. I appreciate the view. Anyways, until next time, guys. Peace.